Welcome to our next video on English expressions. As you know, you will see several images with the Kaboons indicating an expression in each. You'll then have a couple of seconds to guess the expression. After that, the answer will appear and I will discuss the meaning of the expression and also give some examples. Again, it is important to remember that psychology tells you that there is no better way to learn expressions than by linking these expressions to typical pictures. Let's get started. Here is our first image. This image shows the expression two's company, three's a crowd. This means that sometimes when two people are spending time together, a third person joining them can make the situation awkward. For instance, Eve and Anthony were having a romantic Valentine's Day dinner when suddenly Peter showed up and decided to join them. Two's a company, three's a crowd, Anthony muttered, but Peter didn't even hear him. And another example. I finally got to spend some time alone with my mum, but my sister insisted on coming with us to the park. It really was a case of two's a company, three's a crowd. It ruined the whole day. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This piece of advice means that you shouldn't focus all your time and energy on one thing or depend on one person or thing, because this way you risk losing everything. Our two examples are: Mrs. Wilson was advised not to put all her eggs in one basket and only invest in one company, but rather to spread the risks a bit more. And I have always wanted to be a famous singer, but I decided not to put all my eggs in one basket and still go to university, just in case. How have you been doing so far? We've reached the last image of this series. It never rains, but it pours. You use this expression to say that when bad things happen, they often happen all at the same time. For example, on my way to work this morning, I first fell in a puddle, then I missed my train, and then I spilt tea all over myself. It never rains, but it pours. Let's look at another example. John is so unlucky. In 1 week, his car was stolen and he lost his job. It never rains, but it pours. And that's the end of this series, and we'll always end with a few important remarks. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English Expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to describe what our shop offers. And don't forget the new possibility for uploading your own Kaboons drawings. Kaboons are simple characters, and I'm sure that you or the children at school are able to make magnificent Kaboons. Furthermore, we enjoy drawings of expressions from every language. And finally, here's a new picture, and we will tell you what this expressions means next time. Love you! See you next time!